So before I start teaching you about broadleaf tree identification, we need to start talking about what is a leaf. And this seems like a simple request, but it's not as simple as you think it is. So this is a leaf. You guys are familiar with the leaf. It has the blade and it's got a long stem or petiole. That's one leaf. But this is also one leaf. This has several leaflets, and here's the petiole, the leaf stem. This is a simple leaf. This is a compound leaf. We know that this is a simple leaf and this is a compound leaf because the stem here, the petiole, comes off at a bud and leaves a leaf scar. So if I pull one of these leaflets off, there's no bud here. So I'm going to show you these leaves on trees so you can see here. I might bring this closer. I don't know if that'll focus. Oh man, I gotta block out everything else so it doesn't see it. Focus. This is the bud, and that leaf came off. That's the leaf scar right there from the leaf I just brought. So this has 4 leaves coming off of it, the one that I broke off already, and these 3. But when you look at the whole twig, those have a lot of little leaflets on them. So there were 4 leaves with many leaflets. There's the 4th one. 4 leaves. Here's a better example here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves, and these have really distinctive buds, if I can get it to focus on here. See that long bud there? This is a leaf, and it's attached to the woody twig at a bud. Here's another leaf here, attached to the woody twig at a bud. So these are simple leaves, and this is a compound leaf. Simple leaves, compound leaf. The other thing I want to show you is alternate versus opposite. The other thing I wanted to show you is alternate versus opposite. So these leaves are opposite. They're coming off each other. They're paired. So you can see these 2 are opposite each other. And if I flip this over, these 2 were opposite each other, but I pulled this one off. And you can see the leaf scars down here. These 2 came off opposite, and so did these ones. In the past, these leaf scars are opposite each other. Whereas this twig that we were looking at earlier, they're alternating. You can see the buds all alternating. None of them are opposite each other. They're all alternate. So sometimes if you lose a leaf, you can see this one's all by itself. If you lose one, you might think, oh, that's alternating, but in fact, it's just lost one. But the opposite trees tend to have a pattern to them where they're all opposite. They look quite distinctive. Ashes and maples in the North Bay area are really our only 2 opposite trees. Alternate is by far more common. So that is a page in our lab manual. Simple leaves, compound leaves, opposite, alternate. That's the beginning of Leaf ID.